Canned tuna is one of the world's favorite foods, a humble staple that has found its way into kitchens and pantries across the globe. Whether you're a student looking for a quick meal, a chef crafting a gourmet dish, or a parent packing a nutritious lunch, canned tuna is a go-to ingredient that never seems to go out of style. You'll find it in lunchboxes, tossed into fresh salads, or even as a topping on pizzas just about everywhere. Its versatility is unmatched. Canned tuna can be transformed into creamy spreads, hearty casseroles, or even sushi rolls. It's a true culinary chameleon, adapting to countless recipes and tastes. But have you ever wondered how this simple can of fish is actually made? What happens before you twist open that lid and enjoy the savory, flaky goodness inside? Honestly, many people open a can and never think about the amazing journey inside. It's easy to take for granted, but every can of tuna is the result of a fascinating process that spans oceans and continents. There's a mix of science, tradition, and hard work that brings tuna from the ocean depths all the way to your kitchen shelf. Generations of fishers have perfected their craft, while modern technology ensures that every step is efficient and safe. Each can of tuna really holds a story of adventure, innovation, and dedication. It's more than just a convenient meal. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our connection to the sea. It begins far away from the supermarket, out on wide, blue oceans where skilled crews brave the elements to find and catch the best tuna. The journey starts with the thrill of the hunt, as boats set out before dawn, guided by experience and technology. Skilled fishers, powerful machines, and clever factories all play a part in this story. From the moment the tuna is caught, a race against time begins to preserve its freshness and flavor. The process is more detailed than most people imagine. Every step, from sorting and cleaning to cooking and canning, is carefully monitored to ensure the highest quality. Tuna must be caught, kept cold, cleaned, cooked, and carefully packed. Each stage is crucial. If even one step is missed, the final product could lose its taste, texture, or safety. Most of us just see the final product, a neat, shiny can on a supermarket shelf, ready to be taken home. But there's so much more behind that simple package. Behind every can, there's a team of people working to ensure safety, taste, and quality. Food scientists, inspectors, and factory workers all play vital roles in making sure each can meet strict standards. In this essay, we'll take a full factory tour, from the first catch to the last label, so you can appreciate what's inside every can. By the end, you'll see canned tuna not just as a pantry staple, but as a marvel of modern food production and a symbol of global teamwork. The journey of tuna from the vast ocean to your plate begins on large, powerful fishing boats, often known as purse seiners or longliners. These vessels are specially designed for long voyages and are equipped with advanced technology to help crews locate and catch tuna efficiently. These boats set out on expeditions that can last for weeks or even months, traveling across some of the world's largest and most remote oceans, such as the Pacific and the Indian Oceans. The crews navigate through unpredictable weather and rough seas, always on the lookout for signs of tuna schools beneath the waves. Once a school of tuna is spotted, the skilled crew springs into action. Using massive nets or long fishing lines, they work together to catch several tons of fish at a time. This process requires teamwork, strength, and experience, as handling such large catches can be both physically demanding and dangerous. Protecting the ocean's delicate balance is a top priority. Many modern fishing boats are equipped with selective fishing gear designed to minimize the accidental capture of other marine animals, such as dolphins, turtles, and sharks. Crews are trained to release non-target species safely back into the sea, supporting sustainable fishing practices that help preserve fish populations for future generations. After the tuna are brought on board, time becomes critical. To maintain the highest quality, the crew must work quickly to sort, clean, and process the fish. Every step is done with care to ensure the tuna remain as fresh as possible. The freshly caught tuna are then placed into powerful brine freezers, industrial machines that can chill the fish to extremely low temperatures, sometimes as cold as -20 degrees Celsius in just a few hours. This rapid freezing process is essential to prevent spoilage and to lock in the tuna's natural flavor, texture, and nutrients. By freezing the tuna so quickly, the crews ensure that the fish stay in peak condition, preserving their quality until they reach consumers around the world. The icy temperatures halt the growth of bacteria and keep the tuna safe to eat. Once frozen, the tuna are carefully stacked in cold storage rooms deep within the ship. These storage areas are kept at a constant, ultra-low temperature to maintain the cold chain and prevent any thawing during the long journey back to shore. When the boat's storage is full, it's time to head back to port. The return trip can take several days or even weeks, depending on how far out to sea the crew has traveled. Throughout this journey, maintaining the cold chain is absolutely crucial. Crew members regularly check the temperature in the storage rooms using gauges and sensors to ensure the tuna remain perfectly frozen. This careful attention to detail is one of the most important steps in delivering high-quality tuna to factories, where the next stage of processing will begin. Canned tuna has been a popular food for more than a century, and its story is a fascinating journey through time, technology, and changing tastes. What started as a simple solution to a common problem has become a global pantry staple, loved by millions. The very first cans of tuna were produced in the early 1900s, at a time when people were searching for a quick, safe and convenient way to enjoy fish without the constant worry of spoilage or foodborne illness. Before refrigeration was common, preserving fish was a real challenge, and canned tuna offered a breakthrough. The process of canning tuna was actually inspired by earlier methods used to preserve meat and vegetables, especially during times of war when food needed to last for months or even years. These innovations in food preservation changed the way people ate and stored food forever. It didn't take long for canned tuna to become a kitchen staple in households across the United States, Japan, Europe, and many other parts of the world. Its convenience and versatility made it a favorite ingredient for busy families and creative cooks alike. As decades passed, new machines and advanced technology revolutionized the canning process. Factories became more efficient, and automation allowed for millions of cans to be produced every day, making tuna more affordable and accessible than ever before. With these improvements, factories learned how to pack tuna more carefully, seal in freshness, and keep it safe for longer periods. Modern food safety standards and inspections ensure that every can meets strict quality requirements, giving consumers peace of mind. Thanks to these advances, canned tuna is now available everywhere, from the largest urban supermarkets to the smallest rural grocery stores. No matter where you live, you're likely to find a can of tuna on the shelf. Today, canned tuna is enjoyed in more than 140 countries around the world. It's a truly international food, connecting people across continents and cultures through shared meals and recipes. People love canned tuna for its mild, delicious taste, its healthy protein content, and its impressive shelf life. It's a go-to choice for quick lunches, emergency supplies, and nutritious family dinners. Some canned tuna brands have been around for over 100 years, becoming household names and trusted favorites for generations. Their longevity is a testament to the enduring appeal of this simple, yet versatile food. These brands continue to build trust by following strict safety and quality rules, investing in research, and constantly improving their products to meet the needs of modern consumers. Canned tuna is found in countless dishes, salads, sandwiches, pasta, casseroles, and even national specialties unique to different countries. Its versatility means there's a tuna recipe for every taste and occasion. The history of canned tuna is a remarkable example of how food technology and innovation can help feed the world, making nutritious, safe, and delicious food available to people everywhere, no matter where they live or what their lifestyle may be. When the frozen tuna arrives at the factory, the first step is careful inspection. Workers and inspectors check the fish for quality. They look for any signs of spoilage, damage, or unwanted fish. Only the best tuna are chosen for canning. The others might be used for pet food or sent back. After inspection, the tuna are sorted by size and species. Some cans use smaller fish, while others need larger ones. This step is important so that each can has a similar taste and texture. The sorted fish are then moved to the thawing area. Here, they are slowly defrosted in cold, clean water to prepare them for cutting. Thawing takes time. Rushing this step can damage the fish and ruin the final product. Once thawed, the fish are again checked for cleanliness. Only fish that pass every test move to the next stage of the process. This careful sorting helps keep the quality high. The next step is cutting the tuna into smaller pieces. Skilled workers use sharp knives or special machines to slice off the head, tail, and fins. The main body of the fish is cut into sections called loins. These loins are the best parts, with firm meat and little fat. Now it's time to cook the tuna. The pieces are placed on large trays and rolled into big steam ovens. This method, called steam cooking or pre-cooking, uses hot steam to cook the fish gently. The temperature and time must be just right, usually around 100 degrees Celsius for 45 to 60 minutes. This keeps the tuna moist and brings out the best flavor. After cooking, the trays are taken out to cool. The cooked tuna is now ready for cleaning. Steam cooking not only cooks the fish but also makes it easier to remove skin and bones in the next step. Once cooked, the tuna must cool down before it can be handled safely. The trays are rolled into cooling rooms or passed through air tunnels. Cooling helps lock in freshness and makes the fish firm, making it easier to clean. Workers, often wearing gloves and white coats, carefully separate the meat from bones, skin, and dark parts. This step is mostly done by hand to ensure only the best, cleanest pieces are used. The workers are trained to spot and remove anything that should not go into the can. This careful cleaning is important for quality and taste. The cleaned tuna pieces are sorted one more time. Some factories use machines to double-check for any missed bones or skin. The final product is pure, flaky tuna meat, ready for canning. Now comes the exciting part, filling the cans. Modern factories use fast, automatic machines that can fill hundreds of cans every minute. The cleaned tuna is dropped into the cans in just the right amount. Some cans use big chunks while others use flakes. Next, the factory adds liquid, usually water, brine, or oil, to keep the tuna moist and tasty. After filling, the cans move along a conveyor belt to the sealing machine. Lids are placed on top and the machine presses and seals each can tightly. This special seal keeps out air, so the tuna stays fresh for months or even years. The speed and accuracy of these machines is amazing to watch. The sealed cans are then grouped and prepared for the next important step, sterilization. This is where science and safety come together. Sealed cans are washed to remove any spills or oil. They then enter huge machines called autoclaves. Autoclaves are like giant pressure cookers. They heat the cans to very high temperatures, usually above 115 degrees Celsius, for 30 to 90 minutes. This step kills any bacteria and makes sure the tuna is safe to eat. After sterilization, the cans are quickly cooled with water sprays or air fans. Cooling stops the cooking process and keeps the texture of the tuna just right. The cans are now strong, safe, and able to last for months without refrigeration. But the process isn't finished yet. Before the cans leave the factory, there are more checks to guarantee safety and quality. Every can of tuna goes through final safety inspections. X-ray machines scan the cans to check for any metal or bone that might have been missed. Some factories also open random cans and test the tuna in a laboratory. These tests check for taste, moisture, and safety. Only cans that pass every test are sent out into the world. After passing inspection, the cans are labeled, packed into boxes, and shipped to stores. This journey from ocean to table can take just a few weeks. Canned tuna is full of protein, vitamins, and healthy omega-3 fats. It is low in calories and easy to use in many dishes, which is why people everywhere love it. In the end, making canned tuna is a mix of skill, science, and teamwork. The next time you open a can, remember the long and careful journey it made, from the deep sea to your plate. That simple can is packed with nutrition and a story worth sharing.